In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create Smartsheet dashboards using Metric Widgets so you can display important numbers, KPIs, and project data in a clear and professional format. First, make sure you have a sheet or report that contains the data you want to display on your dashboard. Next, go to your Smartsheet workspace and click Create or the Add button. From the available options, select Dashboard to create a new dashboard. Once the dashboard opens, click Add Widget. From the widget options, choose Metric Widget. Metric widgets are designed to display key values such as totals, percentages, averages, project status, metrics, or other important data points. After selecting the metric widget, choose the sheet or report that contains the data you want to display. You can select a specific cell, a range of cells, or individual values depending on the metric you want to showcase. Next, configure the widget by selecting the exact data source for your metric. Give the metric a clear title so users can quickly understand what the number represents. You can also customize the appearance by adjusting the size, alignment, text formatting, and layout of the widget. Repeat this process to add additional metric widgets for other important KPIs and project metrics. Arrange the widgets on the dashboard so the most important information appears prominently and is easy to read. Review the dashboard and make any final adjustments to improve readability and organization. As your source data changes, the metric widgets will automatically update, ensuring your dashboard always displays the latest information. That's it! You've successfully learned how to make Smartsheet dashboards with metric widgets. Thanks for watching.